fill and all preparation equipment. We're going to show you 3 shrouds suited for the dry core drilling and drilling. This is the aqua duster. It has a complete seal on the underside of it. You connect your vacuum in here and that will attach to any flat surface to extract water or dust when coring or drilling into a surface. So we also have the 2 smaller shrouds. One's 82mm and the other's 22mm, both for drilling and coring on any flat surface and extracting the dust all in one action. To learn more about this product and many more, visit allpreparationequipment.com.au. Tough jobs made easy.